Hello, my name is Sasanian. I'm the founder of Sasanian Trading. I have 15 years of sourcing experience in China, in many industries, which include apparel, renewable energy, home electronics, and consumer goods. Through my experience, I have gained a vast understanding of industrial manufacturing and know well how to integrate supply chain resources to provide you the most competitive solutions. Currently, my company is continuing to grow. Our business model consists firstly of our silicone freezer tray brand, a successful Amazon business, which has been featured on Shark Tank and has even received funding from Lori Grainer. Secondly, we have our factory Evermore, which specializes in the manufacturing of silicone and plastic. Having our own factory is a huge milestone for our company. Not only are we able to better understand the manufacturing processes, but we are also able to control quality, which not only helps us, helps you, but also helps the end consumer. Thirdly, we have our sourcing services. Our team consists of salespeople, merchandisers, and QC. We are a one-stop sourcing solution. Whatever it is you are looking to source from China, we are here to provide you with boots on the ground. Not only do you not need to send anyone to China to inspect goods, to look for factories, and to source, but we can also make sure that whatever you get, quality is assured. Please feel free to reach out and contact us at any time.